Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use StudyPortals for finding study abroad programs, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the StudyPortals website. Once on the home page, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. In this search bar, you can enter your area of interest or specific study program. You can also filter by location, which will help narrow down your options. After entering your criteria, click on the search button to proceed. Next, you'll be presented with a list of available programs. Take your time to browse through the results. You can sort the results based on various factors such as tuition fees, duration, or start dates. Click on any program that catches your eye for more detailed information. This page will provide an overview of the program, including key features and requirements. Check for the specific admission requirements relevant to that program. Pay attention to the tuition fees and any other associated costs. You'll also find information regarding available scholarships. If you're interested, look for links to the official program website. This will provide additional details and facilitate your application. If you decide to apply, make sure to prepare all required documents ahead of time. Returning to StudyPortals, you can save your favorite programs for easy reference later. Use the comparison feature to evaluate multiple programs side by side. This will help you make a well-informed decision. You may also want to read reviews and experiences from other students. These insights can be invaluable when choosing the right program for you. As you finalize your decision, keep track of deadlines for applications. Make sure to submit your application to your chosen programs on time. Once accepted, you can start planning your journey to study abroad. Utilize the resources available on StudyPortals to guide you through the next steps. Enjoy the exciting adventure of studying abroad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.